Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the chart. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is just for fun. This is the daily chart on Nasdaq, and we've been falling lately. And as I shared with you, I'm watching these lines. Shall we break down below 15,019? We tried, and I guess we will. Then 14,600 is my price target. I don't see any signs of this pullback being ended very soon, so we will see. But right now, I expect it to continue this downtrend. Let's go over to Sp500 and see what's going on there. This is the daily chart on Sp500, and we have this head and shoulder pattern. I drew it very nicely. I can draw it very well, as you can see. But anyway, we are below my neckline, but this support is holding. We tried to break down but couldn't. It's holding, so we will see. But as long as we are below this neckline, I'm bearish on Sp500. In fact, my price target is down here. Shall we break down? Then 4,492 is the price target. Shall we break down below that? Then 4,320 is my price target, actually. Let's go over to Dow Jones. This is Dow Jones, and that's the daily chart on Dow Jones. And yeah, I'm watching these levels. The support held as I was expecting. Shall we break down below there? Then 34,565 is my price target. Below there, 33,943 is the price target. I'm still bearish on the indices. Let's go over to Germany. See what's happening there. That's the daily chart on the German index, DAX. That's the daily chart, and this support held, even though we had wicks to the downside. We bounced back up above the 50-day MA. It was still bullish because 20-day MA is above the 50-day MA, and I think I shared with you, as long as we are above it, we can expect a comeback, a bull run, sort of bull run, at least up to this area, and this is exactly what happened. But because all the indices are bearish, this could also be bearish. When I look at the bodies, maybe we have a bullish wedge here, and I noticed it in the other indices. Also, we had this bearish big wedge, suggesting that we are going down to this area, to this bottom area. That's what we may do. Even though we bounce back up, we may just continue our way to the downside. Shall we break down below this area? Have a daily body close below it, then 15,406. Under that, 15,300 is the price target, and under that, actually, here we go. Here this week could be, and eventually 14,915 could be a price target. Let's go over to Japan, Nikkei, Japanese index. Let's look at the daily chart on Nikkei and see what's happening there. We also had a bounce back up, a little bounce back up. So as I predicted, I saw this wedge and I said we are probably coming down to the bottom. We came down to the bottom. What's next? It turned bearish. We are still bearish because 20-day EMA is under 50-day EMA, so we could be bearish on the index. This area is a strong area. 27,000 could be targeted here, and that's been a strong area of support for quite some time, a year actually. So oops, shall we break below that, then 26,186 is the target under that 25,441. However, I see is it a wedge? Maybe. Not sure about that one. Let me see. It could be a wedge, a bullish wedge building up slowly, so we may not go under this, but eventually come back to $30,000 level. We will see what happens. Okay. And we have Russel. Russel daily chart.